All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So jumped for joy. Jumped for joy. So to be very happy about something. Yes. Very happy about something. Yeah. We jumped for joy with the results. Yes. Once. Yeah. Once I got to John O'Groats, I jumped for joy. Yes, I had been driving a lot, and jumped for joy when I got there. Yes, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. See, I jumped for joy when I saw the numbers. Wow. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. We just jumped for joy when we saw her. Oh, how cool is that? Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Will you jump for joy with me? When I jump for joy to celebrate, will you jump for joy too? When I jump for joy, will you jump with me? Will you celebrate with me? Yeah. So, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, jump for joy. Yeah. When there is good news, we need to jump for joy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use jump for joy in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.